Unity and peace. Building bridges in language. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore two powerful concepts, unity and peace. These words are not just simple terms, they carry deep meanings and play a significant role in societies and relationships around the world. So, let's embark on this journey together to understand what they truly represent and how they can transform our interactions with others. Unity is often described as the state of being united or joined as a whole. It's about coming together despite our differences and working towards a common goal. In unity, there's strength. It's like the strands of a rope. Each strand might be weak on its own, but when twisted together, they become strong. Unity promotes cooperation, harmony, and collective action. Key points on unity. Strength in numbers. Unity is about combining forces and working together. Diversity and inclusion. It embraces differences and believes in the power of diverse thoughts. Harmony and cooperation. Unity is not just about avoiding conflict. It's about actively working together for a common purpose. Peace is more than the absence of war or conflict. It's a state of tranquility or quietness, where there's freedom from disturbance, and where harmony prevails. Peace can be internal, reflecting a state of mind, or external, representing the relationships we have with others. It's about respect, understanding, and the coexistence of diverse groups in a society. Key points on peace. Inner peace. Peace starts within ourselves, reflecting a state of mental and emotional calmness. Social harmony. It extends to our environment, advocating for non-violence, respect, and mutual understanding in our communities. Conflict resolution. Peace involves active efforts to resolve disagreements in a constructive manner, promoting dialogue and understanding. Unity and peace are deeply interconnected. Unity paves the way for peace, and peace strengthens unity. When people are united, they can work more effectively towards achieving peace. Similarly, in a peaceful environment, it's easier for unity to thrive. They feed into each other, creating a cycle that promotes better understanding, cooperation, and harmony among individuals and communities. Key points on the interconnection. Mutual reinforcement. Unity fosters an environment where peace can flourish, and peace strengthens the bonds of unity. Collective effort. Both concepts rely on the active participation of individuals and communities. Shared responsibility. Unity and peace are not just concepts to be admired. They require effort, understanding, and a shared commitment to uphold. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of unity and peace. These aren't just words. They're powerful principles that can shape societies and transform relationships. By understanding and embracing these concepts, we can contribute to a more harmonious, cooperative, and peaceful world. Remember, every step towards unity and peace starts with us, and together, we can make a difference. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and don't forget, unity and peace start with understanding. Keep learning, keep growing,